The sport of cricket has seen a decline in viewership worldwide in recent times, and in Jamaica, the urban area Grace Shield, which is already on the way, has seen a dip in the number of teams and the quality of the game, according to key stakeholders. TVJ Sports' Jerome Foster delved into the matter, and Jordan Fort reports on Foster's findings.
High school track and field and football have surpassed cricket in terms of popularity in Jamaica. And that trend has resulted in concerns for the sport at the feeder level for Jamaica's youth cricket. Only 20 schools are participating in this year's urban area high school cricket competition. Comparatively, 44 did so in the Manning Cup. Even with a dip in participation, for Innswood coach Kirk Gordon, there are fundamental problems.
Boys who want to play but they don't know how to even wall cricket, and they have played like 3 years of cricket in primary school. So I think coaching education is lacking at that level there. I mean, I've seen some primary schools that gone to competitions and then those who assisting them is not that knowledgeable about the sports. You have boys coming there don't know how to hold a cricket ball, but they have been taught. So I mean, we need to adjust the coaching education at that level first, then we can take it to a higher level.
Defending champions Excelsior High have produced the likes of West Indies legends Chris Gale and Courtney Walsh, and more recently, National Under-19 captain Kirk McKenzie. But their coach, Kirkland Bailey, wants the governing body to do more.
They definitely need to find a way if they could help to offset the cost of gear for schools who have an interest in participating. Some schools might have a structured system, so they can handle their own stuff. But there are really some schools that would like to play but can't afford the gear per se. So if they can get them at a subsidized manner and encourage those schools to participate, because talent is all over and we just need for youngsters to be exposed to see it.
But for chairman of urban cricket and the principal of Papine High, Leighton Christie, Issa is powerless as the schools themselves are struggling financially.
The expense of the cricket at this time of the year, and knowing that many of the schools just invested in football and the track and field season coming up too, it may pose a heavy burden on them to carry some of the schools, because cricket is a very expensive game.
However, both Gordon and Bailey are unsatisfied with the back burner treatment being given to cricket.
Yeah, the love is not there like before. I mean, you no longer see boys in the street playing catch a shubi or one part, whatever we used to see back in our days. I mean, the grassroots part is really missing. I mean, players with some serious height going to basketball and trying some different sports. So the passion for the sport is no longer there. So I mean, we need to get them playing from very early.
It triggers the mindset of the administrators to find new mediums to which to keep the youngsters attracted to the sport and to keep their interest at a high where they feel compelled to want to play for the schools. I think they have been lowered away to the more glamour sports like the football and the track and field for those who want to be seen and like the hype life per se. Cricketers tend to be of a more humble character.
As the old adage says, a child shall lead the way, and Innswood's Rashawn Thomas presents the glimmer of hope.
Cause I want to make Jamaica side.
So what do you do?
Bat and ball. Can call it all-rounder.
The current slide signals worrying times for the sport that once unified the Caribbean, but it's left to relevant authorities to get a grip of Jamaica's grassroots cricket.